Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to invite people to like and follow your Facebook page. So if you are using the new Facebook page experience, this is how to invite people to like a Facebook page. So first open up the Facebook page and make sure you have switched into the Facebook page and you have access to the Facebook page to manage it. And once you switched into the Facebook page, here is how to invite someone to like the Facebook page. As you might know, there are two fundamental ways how you can invite people to like a Facebook page. The first one is to invite your friends to like a Facebook page. But of course, this is a limited option to invite friends to like a page because you have limited a number of friends on Facebook. And I have a separate tutorial on how to do it and how to optimize it. But a faster way or a more scalable way to grow your Facebook page is to invite people who have liked your Facebook post. And this is the best way to invite people who are not your Facebook friends to like a Facebook page. And all you have to do is go to a post that has some engagement on it, so people have liked or gave any other reaction to the Facebook post. So let's say it's this one. Click on the reaction buttons here, or click on the like button and the reactions here, and you're gonna see who are the people who have liked the post, who loved the post, or gave another emojis. And as you can see, you have three kinds of button here. The first one, if the person who has liked this post is already following you, in that case you cannot invite them. If you have invited a person, you will see that the button invited. If you haven't invited a person yet and they are not following the page yet, you can see this invite button here. And to invite them to like the Facebook page and to get more Facebook page likes, all you have to do is click on invite here, invite here, invite here, and these people will get a notification from Facebook that they have been invited to like this page, and you have a good chance that they will accept the invitation and like the Facebook page and follow all your Facebook posts from now on. And this is a great way to get organic reach without paying anything for Facebook ads.